hope you're doing well, inshallah. This is your girl Seher, and sorry I sound so bad, but yeah, I was going outside and I am going to get some plants. Actually, we're going near our old home, and we had some work, so we thought, from there we'll get some plants as well. So we're going, and I'm completely masked up. Yep. So thought I'll share a vlog with you guys about it, and it will be a small vlog as far as I know. It's 6:30 around, and it's not working. The lift is not working. So at 6:30 around, my husband just got free from his work. So शायद अंधेरा हो जाए, पता नहीं. But I will shoot as much as I can and keep you updated. No, car बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. Traffic will be crazy right now. But we could have gone in Dio and come back faster. I think it's better. I think it's better if we go in Dio. That's my husband's bike. And that's at you. So guys, the reason we went to our old house was that my husband's old bike was still in our previous home, and we were not able to shift it, but we wanted to do, and so when we came back he gave this to repairs and some modifications and such, and had to get the engine and everything sorted. So by the time, as you can see, it was pretty late, but we still managed to go to some nursery and pick up one or two plants. It was too late for me to record, but I tried my best doing it, and these are all the plants that I picked up from that place, and I just got 5 of those. So one of it was damaged, and it's dying. That is the money plant that I also picked up. I just took some branches which I thought I'll put it in the just spots, and this is my old plant which I also got from the old house. So yeah, basically these are the 5 plants, and the last one is the one which was given damaged, and it's dying, and we are going to replace that very soon, inshallah. But while we were coming back, I came home to a very beautiful package that I was dying to open, and I was waiting for this package for over 1 month now, and let me just show it to you guys what it is. So this is the package that I have received, and I placed this order a long time back. And this one has come from the US through International Makeup. This is an Instagram page which sells authentic US based makeup. Let me just pause and tell you guys that it's not just US based makeup, but in any international makeup for that matter. You can pre-order from them, and some of the stuff is also on their website. They have it in stock all the time, but this I had pre-ordered, so it took about more than 4.5 to 6 weeks to deliver, which they clearly mention when we are pre-ordering anything. So if you order from their website, it is very fast, but if you order anything pre-order, if you pre-order anything, then they have to wait for that. And this is the card that they have mentioned. Again, their Instagram handle, their WhatsApp number, and their webpage is all there, which I'll link down in the bottom. And for the reveal itself, it's come in a very safe packaging, as you can see, and
This is one of the dream palettes of mine, and I'm so glad to have it with me. I have waited for over years to buy one of these palettes. When it was released, there is two volumes. So when it was released, the first volume, I waited. I couldn't. Then the second volume came in, and I still couldn't place it. So finally, I have my hands on Morphe's palette. So I'm just showing it to you guys. Like it is a little bit squished, but there is no damage. Finally, I cannot believe I have hands on this, so I'm really excited. Oh my lord, this is how it looks like. So the even inside one is really well packed, as you can see. Oh my god, I can't even believe it is in my hand. Oh mama, there's been a little bit of dropout. As you can see, there's a little bit of dropout over here, and it had a film, protective film, but there is a little bit of fallout over here, as you can see. But it looks so divine, looks so beautiful. Can't wait to create looks in this, but I'm so happy.